Assalamualaikum and hello. We are from Section 12 Group 3 and today we will be presenting our group presentation which is titled More Western XXL for a Drink System. Our group members consist of 5 students which is myself, Muhammad Hafiz bin Zainuddin, Abdul Razlan Khairi bin Abdul Rahim, Siti Ajah Munira binti Kamaruzaman, Kairin Irfan bin Muhammad Irwan, Muhammad Akmal Irfan bin Lokman, Muhammad Amir Iskandar bin Ismail and also Muhammad Shazrul bin Muhammad Jafri.
More Western XXL, a charming restaurant known for its Western dishes, aims to modernize its customer service by implementing an online food ordering system. Currently relying on traditional pen and paper methods, the restaurant recognizes the need to adapt to today's fast-paced world. The Envision system promises a transformative shift, streamlining the ordering process for a seamless and hassle-free experience. Beyond speed and convenience, the digital platform also improves order accuracy, reducing errors associated with manual transaction. Online ordering online ordering enhances customer satisfaction by allowing guests to explore menu options without time pressure, potentially increasing order value. This technological upgrade contributed to a smoother and more reliable service, aligning with contemporary demands for quick and efficient dining experience. There are four project objectives. Firstly is to develop user-friendly online food ordering system for easy menu navigation and accurate order placement. Second, to incorporate automation in bill generation and refine order processing mechanism for precision and efficiency. Third, to elevate customer experience through a seamless ordering process accessible via any device. And lastly, to modernize and optimize restaurant operational dynamics for a streamlined dining process. This project scope is thoughtfully crafted to enhance the customer experience within More Western XXL's food ordering system. The primary focus is developing a user-friendly online platform that empowers customers to explore the restaurant's menu effortlessly, facilitating smooth navigation. Within this digital environment, customers can browse, select, and edit their orders in real time, ensuring personalized and accurate representation of their preferences. The system will also integrate a secure and efficient payment gateway, allowing customers to complete transactions quickly. Upon successful payment, customer will receive a detailed order receipt, providing a transparent record of their order and payment details. Concentrating on the customer journey from menu exploration to payment and receipt retrieval. This project aspires to create a streamlined and convenient ordering process, enriching the overall dining experience at More Western XSL. The proposed online food ordering system project aims to bring significant advantages for customers and restaurant staff. It promises enhanced order accuracy and efficiency, reducing customer wait time and relieving the staff workload. The system emphasizes on increased convenience and accessibility allows customers to place orders seamlessly from any location using various internet-enabled devices, contributing to heightened satisfaction and loyalty. Furthermore, incorporating detailed reporting and analytic capabilities provide valuable insights into menu preferences and customer ordering patterns. This data-driven insight empower informed business decision, improving operational efficiency and success.
My name is Kairin Irfan bin Muhammad Irwan. My metric number is TI220166 and I will explain about chapter 2. There are two primary software that we have used to build this project. First is Visual Studio Code. Microsoft Visual Studio Code is an open source code editor with features like debugging, syntax highlighting, Git integration, and a large library of extensions. It is a cross-platform, user-friendly, and available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Next is PHPMyAdmin. PHPMyAdmin is a user-friendly web-based tool for managing MySQL and MariaDB database, offering a graphical interface for creating, managing table, and running SQL queries, compatible with multiple platform and operating systems. There are several hardwares that we use to build this website. First is laptops. Laptops from desktop computers promote flexibility and mobility, allowing developers to work from various locations. Next is CPU. The development hardware's powerful central processing unit, or we used to call it as CPU, is crucial for complex coding, debugging, and testing tasks. Next is RAMs. Large code-based virtual environment and managing multiple development tools require high RAMs. Laptop with sufficient RAM allow developers to work with sophisticated program and database without performance issues. Next is SSD. Solid state drive, or we used to call it as SSD, improve read and write data speeds, making development more rapid and responsive. Next is graphic cards. Graphic cards are installed for design-related work and provide a comfortable visual experience. And lastly is the router. Reliable internet connectivity is essential for online resources access, version control and collaboration, and software use. There are four programming languages that we use to build this website. First is HTML. Hypertext Markup Language, or we used to call it as HTML, was the primary programming language used for website creation. HTML text was strategically used to structure content, including headings, paragraph, lists, and links. Next is CSS. Cascading Style Sheet, or we used to call it as CSS, separate presentation and content, ensuring a unified user experience across various screen and device. Next is JavaScript. JavaScript, a client-side scripting language, improve website responsiveness and interactivity. And lastly is PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language, handle dynamic content generation and database interaction. PHP framework integrated server-side logic with client-side presentation, making the website functionality robust and scalable.
Hi, I'm Razan. For database section, we have PHP MyAdmin and MySQL. PHP MyAdmin is a web-based administration tool for managing MySQL database. MySQL is an open source relational database management system. Okay, now for the chapter 3, we have database interface and Web3 diagram. Okay, for database design is a process of creating a logical and physical structure for the data in the database. We have user, menu, contact, card, and transaction. Okay, we have a user entity table, which is we got ID, name, username, and password, which is the ID is a primary key of the table. Okay, the next one we have a contact entity table, which is the ID is a primary key, the user ID is a foreign key from the user table, and we have name, email, and suggestion. Okay, for another one we have a table menu entity, which is the name is a primary key of the table. We have a description menu, price, and image. Okay, the next one we have a card entity table, which is a card ID is a primary key of the table, while the name is a foreign key of the menu table. Inside the table we have a card underscore ID, name, quantity, and price. Okay, last but not least we have a transaction entity table, which is the transaction ID is a primary key of the table, while the customer ID is a foreign key from the user table. In table we have also SCC number, SCC name, and amount. Okay, for the last one, the database design, which is we have entity relationship diagram, which is explain more detail how the database connect and function through each other. First one we have table user, primary key ID, got name, username, password. The second one is contact table, which is primary key ID, foreign key user ID. We have name, email, and suggestion. Third one is a transaction. We have primary key ID, a primary key transaction ID, foreign key customer ID, account number, account name, and amount. The fourth one is a menu, primary key name, have a description menu, price, and image. And the last one is a card, primary key card underscore ID, the foreign key is name, and we have a quantity and price. Okay, that's all. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amir Iskandar. My metric number is DI220111. Now I will present the interface design. So the system will display the login page that will prompt users to enter their username and password. If the username does not have an account in the system, they can click the sign up now button below the login form to register. After user successfully log into the system will display the homepage that includes the name of the restaurant, promotional prices, popular items, as well as contact form. There is also a navigation bar at the top of the page. Each link will redirect users to a specific page. There is also a logout button that will log out users from the system when clicked. Next on the navigation bar is the About Us page. So this page details the restaurant's background, location via street address and map, as well as a contact form at the below. When users click the My Profile link at the navigation bar, it will redirect them to the account details page. In this page, the system displays their customer name, the customer ID, customer username, and contact form for suggestions. If the user would like to view the menu, they can click the menu link at the navigation bar and the system will display the menu. After users successfully choose their item, they can review their orders in the cart page. They can view their chosen items and have the option to modify the quantity of the item or remove the item from the cart. When users click the payment button, it will redirect users to the payment page and displays the total price order and the selection of two payment methods via transfer or pay at counter. If users choose the transfer method, it will prompt the users to enter their account number and account name, and then by clicking the submit button, it will display a confirmation message that indicates the payment is successful. Alternatively, if users choose to pay at counter, by clicking the pay at counter button, it will display the same success message. Lastly, this is the Web2 diagram. So a Web2 diagram is a graphical representation of a hierarchical structure such as a website, a file system, or a taxonomy. So this is the Web2 diagram of More Western SSL food ordering website.
Hi, my name is Siti Hajamunira binti Kamar Zaman. My metric number is TI220120. So I will explain my part, which is chapter 4, part implementation. So I will briefly explain about the partial coding of our project. So we have 17 pages of coding. Next slide, I will briefly go through one webline. Okay, that's Okay, first we will go through login.php, which is the user login. User will input username and password. Next, registration.php, which is user registration for first time user lah. Next, out, which is authentication.php, which will verify the username and password after user input login. Okay, next, connection.php, which is this coding will connect to the database. Then final.php, which is this is the home page after user login, which we have the menu, about us, user feedback, and next we have profile.php, which is it will display the user profile. Okay, next we have menu.php, which will display the menu. Then cart.php, which it will display the cart, and we can edit and delete the menu from cart. And about.php, which will display the information at the home page, which has the about us and location. So now we will see the add command.php, which is it will input the user feedback to the database, and then add.php, which is it will add the order from cart, and next is update.php, which is it will edit the order from cart. So here we have delete order.php, which is after the payment is successful, it will clear all the cart and then go to the exit order or continue order. Then delete.php, which is it will delete the order from cart if user don't want to order that menu. And then payment.php, which is it will display the payment section, which are the total payment and the list of order. So for here we have transfer.php page, which will it will ask user to input the bank details for payment transfer method, and the last one is logout.php, so user can log out from our website. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Maifan bin Luqman. My meeting number is DI220151. Today, I want to show about the demonstration of our project that is More Western XSN food ordering system. So first of all, this is the login page, and if user doesn't have an account, they just can sign up and then just input their ID, their name, their username, and then their password, and then just and then if user uh, put an error in the registration form, it will appear an error message. For example, I put uh, less password than the system need. For example, it will show the error message that is password must have at least 6 characters. So this is the error message of the system. So go back to the login page, and then I input my account, and then just click the submit button, and then it will show the main page of the system that is it show the some pictures of our project, that is, for example, our food image food, and then at the bottom we show the contact form for our for customer to give a feedback. So next is the about us page that we show the background of the restaurant and show the location of the restaurant. And then my profile page is to show that the profile of the user. For example, my name, the customer name, that is my name is Akmal Irfan, my ID and my username, that is Akmal. So this will show the profile of the user. And then if customer or if user want to make a order, they just go to the menu page and choose what they want to order. For example, I want to order chicken chop, and then I will just input the quantity one, and then I add to cart. And I will add another one, that is banana milkshake, and then I add to cart. Then if the customer have done order, they just go to the cart, and then it will show the list of the order that the customer ordered. For example, that banana milkshake, the quantity one and the price is 6, and the chicken chop, the quantity chicken chop, the quantity is 1 and the price is 12 ringgit 20 cent. So if they want to edit the order, for example, they want to increase the quantity of the menu or the order, they just click the button edit, and then if he want to uh add the order, for example, they want 2 chicken chop, so just put number 2 and then just confirm, and then it will show the quantity will increase to 2 and the price also to increase. So and if customer want to delete the order, for example, I do not want the banana milkshake, so I just delete the order, and then it will disappear from the card. And then if the customer want to make a payment, just click the button payment, and then it will show the total price of the order. That is for my order, that is 25 ringgit 80 cent. And then there are two type of method that customer can choose to pay, either transfer or pay at the counter. So if the customer want to transfer, just click the button transfer, and it will go to the transfer payment, and just put the account number, basically our account number, and then our account name. For example, mm, and then this transfer to is to the account number of the owner and the name of the owner account bank. So the amount will be direct from the total order, that is 25 ringgit 80 cent. And then after you submit after user submit the account number and account name, just click the submit button and then it will show the payment successful. Thank you. Please come again and have a nice day. This will show show the customer that the payment is successful. And if customer want to continue the order, just click the button continue order and it will go to the menu page. And if customer have done the order, just log out from the system. Just click the log button. And I think that's all for me for the demonstration of the system.
During the creation of the More Western XXL for ordering system, various programming languages and software programs were integrated throughout its development lifecycle. The project management, coding, design, testing, and development phases required the careful selection and synchronization of diverse tools to ensure the project's success and prevent potential challenges. The development team strategically employed a range of applications to establish a cohesive workflow that promotes collaboration. A strategic selection of programming languages such as PHP, HTML, JavaScript, and SQL is selected to ensure a robust and efficient platform. In terms of software programs, GEM is used as the development environment combining Apache, MySQL, and PHP to create a local server environment for testing and refining the website. Visual Studio Code serves as the IDE in providing a versatile and user-friendly platform for coding and debugging process. More Western XXL online food ordering system aims to transform the dining experience by providing users with a wide range of culinary options that can be easily accessed through a user-friendly interface, an extensive selection of menu items, and an efficient ordering process. The website strives to ensure customer satisfaction. By embracing technology to enhance convenience and choice, the platform provides a hassle-free journey for menu exploration to payment handling. In conclusion, More Western XXL online food ordering system is committed to delivering an exceptional dining experience to its users. And that is all for our presentation. Thank you for watching this video.